Hi dear students, as you also know, we are continuing with the second lesson in our Beehive text, The Sound of Music. We have completed part 1, a lecture about a beautiful multi-percussionist named as Evelyn Glennie. And in part 2, we are gonna learn about a talented Indian musician, Mr. Bismillah Khan, and the origin of Shehnai. Before starting the lesson, you can see some talented personalities' pictures over there. Please try to recognize them and write their names just below the images. The great Emperor Aurangzeb was forced to stop the playing of a musical instrument named Pangi in his royal residence or in his palace because of its bad sound. Once a barber who had the heritage of belonging to the family of musicians and who had the access to royal palace tried to find out something new from the musical instrument Pangi. He wanted to improve the tunnel quality and the sound which is coming from it, and that he had a lot of other ways trying it, so that he tried a way by using a pipe longer and broader than Pangi, and he tried making some holes in it in a proper distance. So the sound which was coming from this musical instrument when he produced it in front of the court was being impressive. As this musical instrument was played in front of the Shah, the king, and was found out by Nai, the barber, it was being called as Shehnai. You can see the images of Shehnai here on the screen, and now I am going to share the images of a Pangi also here. Looking at these two pictures will make you easily understand the difference between those two musical instruments. The sound of Shehnai was entirely different from that of Pangi. It was really auspicious. People considered it as like holy, that they decided to have this instrument played in the temples and other religious occasions. And other than that, it was being played in weddings for the North Indian families also. It was such a valuable thing that it was being considered as Naubat, or the one among the 9 musical instruments in the court also. The usage of Shehnai was being restricted into temples, weddings and all till recently. The credit of taking this musical instrument into the front row of music goes to the great Ustad Bismillah Khan. When he was only 5 years old, Bismillah Khan used to play Gilli Danga near a pond in the ancient estate of Dehradun in Bihar. Dehradun is a place in Bihar, and he was playing this there. He used to go to a Biharji temple to sing Bhojpuri Chaita, from where he would get a big laddu weighing 1.25 kg. Actually, that laddu was a gift given by the local Maharaja. Ustad Bismillah Khan, at the age of 5, got such a big gift long 80 years back. And he had travelled a very long distance from that small village to reach the highest civilian award in India. He won Bharat Ratna because his contributions to the world of music was immense. Ustad Bismillah Khan was born to a family of musicians from Bihar. His grandfather Rasul Bux Khan was a Shehnai player in Bhojpur King's Court. His father also was a Shehnai player in the place. From the traditional background, we can understand that there is no way that Bismillah Khan can move away from playing this musical instrument and getting into the world of music and conquer it very easily. Hope the part of the lesson was clear for you. We'll continue the lesson in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.